In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn language to English. If your LinkedIn interface is showing in another language, switching it back to English is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it so you know exactly where to click and what to expect as the page updates. First, open LinkedIn and head to your feed. This is the main homepage you see after you sign in, filled with posts from your connections and the pages you follow. If you're already browsing around LinkedIn, you can return to the feed by selecting the LinkedIn logo at the top of the page. Being on the feed just makes it easy to find the menu we need next. Now look to the top navigation bar for your profile menu. It's labeled Me and usually shows your profile photo. Click on Me to open a drop-down menu. This is where LinkedIn groups your personal account controls, including settings that affect how the site looks and behaves for you. From that drop-down, select Language. Depending on the current interface language, the wording might look a little different, but it will be the option that refers to language preferences. It's typically easy to spot because it's listed alongside other display or account preference options. Clicking it takes you to LinkedIn's language selection area. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. Choose English to change your display language. As soon as you select it, LinkedIn will refresh and apply English across menus, buttons, and navigation labels. This change only affects what you see. It doesn't translate your profile content or other people's posts. It also won't change the language you write in, just the interface language used by LinkedIn itself. If the page seems to take a moment, give it a few seconds to reload fully. After the refresh, confirm that the top menus and settings are now displayed in English. If you ever need to switch again, you can come back to the same language area and pick a different option. A quick tip: if you're helping someone else or using a shared computer, remember that language is a per account preference. You'll need to change it while signed in to the account that needs English. And if you're on a mobile browser, the path is essentially the same. Find the Me menu, then Language, and select English. That's all there is to it. Your LinkedIn interface should now be in English. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear, practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.